In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and the exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us, and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a versatile and a cost-effective material in use in both interior and exterior decoration. Here are some ideas for reusing pallet wood. You can create a statement wall in your living room or bedroom by using pallet wood to create a unique and rustic ancient wall. Pallet wood can be used to create all sorts of furniture from coffee table, bookshelves, gazebo, and the benches and the chairs. Use pallet wood to create garden beds for your backyard or the balcony. Simply stack the pallet on the top of each other and fill it with the soils. Create outdoor furniture like chairs, tables, benches using pallet wood. These pieces can be stained and painted to match your outdoor decor. Use pallet wood to create an outdoor sitting area, and you can also make a bed for your backyard. Use pallet wood to create open shelving for your kitchen or the bathroom or the bedroom for a rustic and functional touch. Create your own network by using pallet wood as a canvas, paint, or stencil a design onto a wood for a one-of-a-kind of piece. Use pallet wood to create a sign for your home and the garden. Stain or paint the wood and add a lettering for a personalized touch. Use pallet wood to create a unique and rustic flooring option in your bedroom and the home. Create a rustic headboard for your bed using pallet wood. Use pallet wood to create a wine rack for your kitchen and the dining room. Stain or paint the wood and add metal holder for functional and stylish pieces. Remember to properly prepare and home decor when it comes to adding a touch of natural charm and rustic beauty to your home. Few materials can match the versatility and appeals of pallet wood. Here is our new video in our playlist. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. We are back again with another amazing video. So if you have any type of suggestion, you can ping us in our latest video comment box. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Derived from the sturdy wooden pallet commonly used in a shipping and storage, repurposing this humble material can unlock a world of creative possibilities. In this video, we will explore how incorporating pallet wood can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your living space, offering a unique and environmental friendly way to enhance the beauty of your home. Pallet wood possesses a distinct character and the individuality that can instantly transform any room. Its whether texture, rich patina, or a unique marking tell a story of its previous life, adding a authentic and organic feel to your interior design. Each piece of pallet wood carries its own history and contributes to the overall charm and the personality of your home. One of the most compelling reasons to incorporate pallet wood into your home decor is its eco-friendliness. By repurposing discarded pallet, you are contributing to the reduction of waste and promoting sustainability. Choosing pallet wood for your project align with the principle of recycling and upcycling, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Pallet wood versatility now have no bound for ancient wall to the furniture decorative element. There are countless ways to incorporate into your home. An ancient wall made of pallet wood can become an eye-catching focal point, adding warmth and the texture to the living room, bedroom, or studies. Additionally, pallet wood can be crafted into shelves, tables, and headboard from scrap wood that will sell like a hot cake, and you can earn a handsome amount of money by selling this project. So let's get started and keep watching. For more interesting videos, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. In recent years, the use of pallet wood has gained significant popularity among the do-it-by-yourself enthusiast, craftsman, and the artist. Pallets, which are often discarded after use, can be repurposed and transformed into a unique and aesthetically appealing creation. Whether you are looking to earn some extra income or simply want to include in a creative outlet, here are some pallet wood projects and art ideas that are highly demand and sell like a hot cake. So keep watching and keep subscribing our channel. Pallet wood is an excellent material for crafting rustic style furniture pieces, from coffee table to a bookshelf to a bed frame or outdoor benches. The weather and the distressed look of a pallet wood adds character and the charms to any space. People are often drawn to the warmth and the aesthetically of these handmade creations, making them a highly demand and sought after item in the market. The pallet wood lends itself perfectly to a wall art and a decor. By cutting a arranging pallet slat into a various shapes and sizes, you can create a stunning wall hanging, picture frame, and the mirrors. Incorporating elements like stenciled quotes, painted design, and even attaching a mason jars to the rustic vase holder and can add a personalized touch. These pieces are not only visually appealing but also make for a great conversation started, making them a hit among the buyers. The versatility and durability of pallet wood make it ideal for the outdoor project, particularly garden planter. With the little creativity, you can transform your old pallet wood into a beautiful planter that are perfect for the flowers, herbs, and even a small vegetables. People who enjoy a garden or want to bring a touch of nature to their living spaces are often willing to invest in these unique and eco-friendly creations. The pallet wood shelving unit are both functional and decorative, making them highly desirable among the homeowners. From kitchen spices rack to the bathroom shelving or living room display unit,